Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the maximum temperatures were 41 to 42 degrees centigrade over most parts of West Rajasthan, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, Jharkhand, interior Odisha, Telangana, Saurashtra, and Kutch, and maximum temperatures were between 40 to 41 degrees centigrade over East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, East Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat region, Rayalaseema, and Chhattisgarh. Yesterday, heatwave to severe heatwave conditions were observed over most parts of West Rajasthan, in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, and heatwave conditions was observed over East Rajasthan and Jharkhand also. Today's main highlight is one is the heatwave spell likely to continue over the northwest India during next 5 days and over the Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat state during next 3 days, and heavy to very heavy rainfall spell over northeast India during next 2 days and reduce in rainfall activity thereafter. And third one is the likely formation of low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal around 7th of April. So if we look into the maximum temperature and heat wave forecast, so there will not be any significant change in maximum temperature over most part of the country during next 5 days. And there will be the heat wave conditions very likely to prevail in some parts of Rajasthan, in isolated pockets over South Haryana, Delhi, and South Uttar Pradesh during next 5 days. Heat wave conditions in isolated pockets likely to continue over the Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Gujarat state during next 3 days, over Himachal Pradesh during next 2 days, and over the Jammu division on 3rd of April. And in the West Rajasthan, isolated severe heatwave conditions are also likely during next 2 days. And if you look into the weather forecast for the northeast India, so because of the strong southwesterly winds from the Bay of Bengal in the northeastern states, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at many or most places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura during next 3 days, and reduction thereafter. There also will be the very heavy rainfall over the Assam and Arunachal Pradesh during next 2 days, and isolated extremely heavy rainfall over Meghalaya area during next 2 days. And there will be the isolated heavy rainfall activity over the Nagaland and Manipur on 3rd of April, over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya on 5th of April. And there also will be isolated heavy rainfall over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during next 2 days, and isolated thunderstorm and lightning over Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal, and Nagaland and Manipur during next 24 hours. And an upper air cyclonic circulation is likely to form over South Andaman Sea on 6th of April, and under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over Southeast Bay of Bengal during subsequent 24 hours. Under its influence, isolated heavy rainfall activity over Andaman and Nicobar Island on 5th and 6th of April. And there also will be the squally weather speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph likely over Southeast Bay of Bengal adjoining South Andaman Sea on 5th and 6th of April, and squally weather with wind speed 45 to 55 kmph over central parts of South Bay of Bengal on 7th of April. So fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas. If we look into the weather forecast for the South Peninsular India, so there will be the light, isolated to scattered rainfall activity over the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, coastal and south interior Karnataka during next 5 days, over the north interior Karnataka during 5th, 6th, and 7th of April, and over the coastal Andhra Pradesh during next 3 days. There also will be isolated thunderstorm and lightning activity over the Tamil Nadu on 3rd, over the coastal and south interior Karnataka on 3rd, 5th, and 6th, and over the Kerala during next 5 days. And there is also possibility of isolated heavy rainfall activity over the Tamil Nadu area during next 24 hours. This is the weather warning in color-coded graphical form. So because of the very heavy and extremely heavy rainfall over the Arunachal Pradesh and Assam Meghalaya area, we have given the orange color warning for the next 2 days. And as far as the northwest and adjoining central India is concerned, we have given the yellow color warning because of the current uh, heat wave spell will continue over the plains of northwest India during next 5 days and over the adjoining central India during next 3 days. And in the South Peninsular India also, yellow color warning is given because of the isolated heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu and lightning and thunderstorm activity over the coastal Karnataka, South interior Karnataka, and Kerala area. You can download the Mosam app, Damini and Mehdut app for the location-specific forecast, lightning alert, and agro advisory services. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, our Instagram page, and our YouTube channel for more detailed weather information. Thank you.